Hi guys, I am Ana May Gonzaga, BSIT student of Isabela State University. I am 20 years old and I am from San Marcos, Cabarugis, Quirino. The lessons I learned in cybersecurity during the prelim period are the cybersecurity principle and its environment, the fundamental of cybersecurity, the threat actors, attack and mitigation, the security policies and procedures, and of course, the cyber mitigation method. In the cybersecurity and its environment, it taught me that in cybersecurity, business information must be protected. Business without security will be attacked and may have failures. IT addresses interdependency between business objectives and IT security. IT focuses on organizational information security management. The benefits of cybersecurity are it reduces IT-related risks, it manages information security governance, it achieves values from information systems, it meets compliance requirements. And the objectives of cybersecurity is to analyze the threats and vulnerabilities in information systems and find ways to resolve them. To troubleshoot threats using secure enterprise architecture, to apply business security awareness using strategic management and resource optimization, to create an effective defense in cyber-related attacks and threats. The fundamentals of cybersecurity taught me that cybersecurity refers to a set of techniques used to protect the integrity of networks, programs, and data from attack damage and unauthorized access. We do cybersecurity due to increased rate of cybercrime, increased demand to protect data, presence of crimes, syndicates, and presence of cybercrime. Information security refers to processes and tools designed to protect sensitive information. Cybersecurity is a set of techniques used to protect the integrity of networks, programs, and data. The threat actors attack and mitigation taught me that a threat actor or malicious actor is a person entity that is responsible for an event or incident that impacts or has the potential to impact the safety or security of another entity. The threat actor categories are script kiddies, hacktivists, organized crime, nation-state insiders, and competitors. There are 4 threats to a system: natural environment threats, supply system threats, man-made threats, and sociopolitical threats. Malware is any software that is intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer server, client, or computer network. The types of malware are rootkit, spyware, ransomware, backdoor, worms, virus, trojans, logic bomb, and adware. Security policies and procedures taught me that security management plan should use a top-down approach. Senior management initiates and defines policies. Middle management releases standards and policies guidelines. Operation management implements the controls and policies. And users must have comply with the organization's functions. The 3 types of management plans are strategic plan, tactical plan, and operational plan. And of course, cybersecurity mitigation method taught me that an information technology control is a procedure or policy that provides a reasonable assurance that IT used by an organization is operating as intended. Data is reliable and the organization is in compliance with laws and regulations. On the other hand, a countermeasure is an action of method that is applied to prevent, avert, or reduces potential threats to computers, servers, networks, operating systems, and information systems. The 3 controls are administrative control, technical control, and physical control. Defense in-depth or layered approach intends to provide increased security through intentional redundancy based on multi-layered approach. Multi-factor authentication is a method where a user is granted access after presenting 2 or more evidences. Two-factor authentication is a subset of multi-factor authentication of two different factors. Authentication is the process of determining the types of activities, resources, or services a user is permitted. Accountability is the traceability of action performed on a system to a specific system entity. Based on the lessons that I have learned, the topic that I like the most is the threat actors attack and mitigation. It caught my attention because it taught me that a threat actor or malicious actor is a person entity that is responsible for an event or incident that impacts or has the potential to impact the safety or security of another entity. It also taught me that malware is any software that is intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. So, I just want to spread awareness to all the users that we must protect and secure our accounts and all. That's all. I gained knowledge in our subject by watching all the videos that our teacher had given us. I also researched things and with things that are connected to our subject for me to understand the topics more. I also asked my classmates when there are things that I don't understand. Of course, we are joining webinars for us to add more knowledge about the subject. As a student, I will improve my performance next time by giving more time reviewing the topic and watch videos that are connected to the subject. I can also do advanced learnings and set a timeline. I mean, I must have a schedule for every subject so that I can finish all of them before the due date.